Thank you for your interest in Conicelli Toyota of Springfield, conveniently located on Baltimore Pike in Springfield, Delaware County.
At Conicelli Toyota, we have a large inventory of new sedans, SUVs, vans, and trucks in stock and arriving daily. And with ToyotaCare, a 2-year no-cost maintenance plan included, you'll save over $640. Thinking pre-owned, we have certified and quality pre-owned vehicles of many makes and models to choose from as well. All pre-owned vehicles at Conicelli come with a 60-day or 3,000-mile limited warranty included. With our large selection, we are sure to have the new or pre-owned vehicle for you. And if you don't see the one you want, we can get it for you.
And while we invite you to our new state-of-the-art facility, you also have the option to buy online using Conicelli Express Purchase. Visit ConicelliToyotaofSpringfield.com to begin. And while you're there, feel free to chat live with one of our knowledgeable team members to get your questions answered. Plus, see our monthly sales and service specials. For a quick, easy, and nice car buying experience, visit Conicelli Toyota of Springfield today and see for yourself why Conicelli is a nice place to do business.